Hey guys, today we're reviewing a book called Twins by fellow father of twins Mike Ciccotello, and I'm going to get my twin daughters' take on what their thoughts were on this book, and if it's a good fit for you and your twins.
This is such a unique book. I really enjoyed reading it. One of the things I loved about it is it's talking about a twin and twins, one giraffe and one a little boy. It shows how twins don't always get along, but you won't always stay mad for long. It shows a relationship that they have. Let me show you a couple pictures of the relationships. And always have someone to talk to. Like that. Because we always just talk past our bedtime, and it's just great to have someone to talk to. This book shows how strong these connections are between these twins. So that's something that I really like because me and my sister have way different emotions and connections.
So Twins by Mike Ciccotello is a great story to read with your twins. It's a pretty simple read, and the illustrations are great. Mike is a wonderful illustrator, as you can see with these illustrations in the book. So if you want to check out this book, look for the link in the description of this video. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed that book review about Twins by Mike Ciccotello. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks about parenting twins, raising twins, and cool stuff that'll help you along your twin journey. Yes. And while you're here, you might as well check out some of these other videos. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.
Bye!